Are you tired of paying for complicated website builders? Imagine launching a professional website in hours without coding. With Systeme.io's free plan, you can do just that. This all-in-one platform lets you build an SEO-ready blog, collect leads effortlessly, and set up your digital presence in no time. Let's explore how to make it happen. Once you sign up, dive into your dashboard and head to Blogs. Click Create, and choose a simple template like the health blog. It's clean, fast, and easy. You can customize it later. In the blog layout, update the header and footer. Upload your logo and tweak social media icons. Impress visitors right from the start. Next, move to the homepage editor. Replace the headline to connect with your audience, like Marketing Island, launch your digital biz today. It's simple to adjust how many articles display. After that, personalize your About and Contact pages. Upload a headshot, clean up your bio, and link your contact form. Customize the success message and add a reCAPTCHA for spam protection. Ensure top nav links direct to live pages. Just copy the actual link, paste it into the menu settings, and save. Polishing your site has never been easier. Now, let's organize categories. Replace weight loss with relevant topics like social media marketing. Craft SEO titles and descriptions to enhance visibility. To post, click Create Post. Add a cover image and assign it to a category. Enhance your content with images, videos, or audio. Save and publish or schedule it. Your homepage carousel and post list update automatically. More time for creating, less for managing. In a nutshell, you've edited templates, fine-tuned headers, added categories, and customized posts, all while your site built itself. From blank slate to live in under an hour. Now, it's your turn. Ready to launch your site before dinner? Are you ready to elevate your content creation and protect your most valuable asset? Click the free link below at affiliatelist.shop Systeme.io. Smash the like button. If you want to save time, subscribe for more hacks and comment your Systeme.io to dominate. Don't wait. Grab your free account and let Systeme.io handle the heavy lifting. Your website is ready. Why wait? Thanks for watching. All the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free. Click the link in the description to start saving now.